Hi, this is your grandma, Queen. Ooh, just a minute. I have one heck of a time thinking of my last name.
Queen Grandma.
This is Queen Grandma. Ooh, woo. And first of all, I would like to thank everyone for all the nice comments that you have made on TikTok and YouTube. I'm speechless, and it was so nice of you folks. And now I've got to tell you a story that happened to me, I believe it was last week. I'm still traumatized, and I don't know really how to start. I really don't know how this was going to end, but I had went to the store, and on my way back I pull into my driveway and I open the garage door like I normally do, and I don't know what happened, but the garage door went open. It was like going, okay, it's safe. Oh, in I go. Well, I didn't go all the way in. The door come down and smashed the hood of my car. My car is very ancient and it's very precious to me. It's a 1998 Nissan. And it's been a wonderful car for me. And it drives so smooth, but now I've got a big dent in the top. I should say the hood of my car. Oh. And then the garage door was a mess. It got off the track, you know, how it's on the track, or how it's supposed to be on the track for it to work properly. And it was twisted, and I get out of the car, and I'm just sick, and I'm going, I don't know what to do now. My granddaughter and my dogs come out, and they're saying, what happened, Grandma? They heard this terrible noise, and it's like going, oh. I was so embarrassed to even tell them that the garage door didn't completely open, I guess. I don't know. I was just in shock, and I really don't know what happened, but for the door to come down when it was supposed to go up. So, my granddaughter, she's usually very kind, and she thought this was kind of funny. So she goes dashing over to tell her mom, my daughter, about Grandma running into the garage door. Here comes my daughter. She is in hysterics. She is laughing so hard, and it got me laughing. And but I was still very upset. And I was just really out of it, and I was in shock, so I started laughing. Oh my God. So that was my story, that was my last, what should I say? It was my last accident, I hope. That will be it. So, folks, thank you very nice for the very nice comments, and take care, and drive safely. Bye.